Alright, problem number 8. I've got my x and y axes graphed in green so you can see it better. It says a city is planning to build a new park. Wow. The park must be equidistant from school A, that's a point, and school B, that's a point. They tell me their coordinates. So this condition, alright, always go until the end until you see a period or a comma. That's how you're going to tell if it's different from a point or 2 points. So this is, they give me 1 point and a second point. Let me graph those points. 3 comma 3 right there, that's A. And 3 comma negative 5, 2, 4, 5 right there, and that's B. Okay? This condition is from 2 points, so our locus will be the perpendicular bisector. We're going to create that segment. We'll count how big it is. It's 3, 6, 8. It's 8 units long. That means the midpoint is going to be at the 4 mark. 3, 4. Our perpendicular bisector is going to have to go through there. It's going to have to make a right angle and go through that point. So let me sketch that in for us. Okay, great. And then let's keep on reading. It says the park must also be exactly 5 miles from the center of town, which is located at the origin. Okay, so from the center of town, and they tell me that town is at the origin. So call that T for town. And it has to be, 5 miles, huh? 5 miles from the center of town. And then it says, well, each unit on the graph represents 1 mile. So I've got to be 5 units away from this point. And I know my locus will look like a circle if it's from a point. So there's 3, 4, 5. That's 1. Then I got to be 5 up. So right here, going to be 5 below. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. All right. So those are the 4 corners of my, or 4 parts of my circle that I'm going to fill in. Okay, great. And then it says, on the set of axes below, sketch the compound loci and label with an X all possible locations for the new park. So they don't ask for coordinates. They just want X's where they intersect. So my circle locus intersects my perpendicular bisector right about there and right about there. So I'll put an X and an X, and that would be it. So our solution would be 2 points that satisfy both conditions.